Hello friends, I am Ahmad and you are watching Mian Inventions. In this video, I am going to show you how my all these eggs got rotten in this incubator. You know well, in the past video, we have incubated all these 120 chicken eggs in this incubator. Today morning when I came to see my eggs and to turn my eggs, I saw one of my bulb was burst. Here you can see one of my bulb is burst and the temperature was reached at 20 degrees Celsius. And when I candle to my all eggs to understand whatever the embryo inside an egg is live or dead, I noticed that all the eggs are rotten now because due to low temperature the embryo in all the eggs is dead. If I turn on the incubator, you can see that one bulb is glowing but other bulb is not glowing. So due to the low temperature, all of my all eggs got rotten and I am very sad now. The solution of this is that you should always use three bulbs in your incubator so that if one bulb is burst so that two other bulbs keep working in your incubator. Now I have to remove all these rotten eggs from the incubator. Will not be healthy if I keep incubate these eggs in this incubator. In the next video, I shall incubate new eggs in this incubator. If you are new in my channel, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.